Hi, it's Emily from WTA. My husband and I built an overlanding trailer this summer, and one thing that we really wanted to be able to do with it was to be able to take it off-grid and have some really amazing adventures outside of traditional campgrounds and RV parks. In order to do that, you need a really good self-leveling kit. And we fell in love with this one from the Homeon Wheels store. This kit is ideal for any type of RVs or campers, and we love them for our overlanding trailer. They're super adaptable, so you can stack and build them up at whatever height you need. That means that if we are trying to park our overlanding trailer on an uneven surface, we can use a different number of blocks under each of the leveling legs. That makes them really adjustable and adaptable to your needs. I have delegated the parking of our trailer to my husband, so I will tell you some of the things that he really finds value in when it comes to this set. He loves that these blocks will hold up to any weather condition. He likes the high-vis yellow because it helps it not be so much of a tripping hazard, which is great when you're around camp. He loves the anti-skid design on the ones that go on the top. He loves the variety of shapes that you can lock them into and how securely they lock and snap together when they're stacked up. We also find a lot of value in this great carrying case that comes with it. That lets us keep them all together, safely stowed and organized, and in the storage kit of our trailer, so we always have them with us. These leveling blocks are a very innovative design. They're very flexible, and you can make them work for you. Whatever you need, leveled, steady, sturdy, and safe, you can use these blocks. We're really happy with them, and that's my point of view.